Welcome back, it's Chris from the Hagon factory. So this week we're going to pull the engine and gearbox out of the 350 Velocette Hagon so we can finish the engine plates. We've got a few more photos and videos of the Black Swan Hotel in Bendigo, and we'll have a look at the stand that we put the 350 engine in for when we're working on it up on the bench. We've had a few comments on that, so of what it is and where we got it from, so let's have a look. Righto, so the next part of this job will be cleaning up these engine plates. As you can see, the corners haven't been cleaned up and that, but now that everything fits, we're going to get right into it. So we'll clean these up, might trim some of that off with the bandsaw and then hit it with the flapper pad and just finish her up. We still need to make a bit of room for the shifter and a bit of room for the primary chain as well. When the gearbox is all the way back, it's just about hitting, so hopefully the gearbox won't be that far back ever anyway, but I will give it a bit more relief, and we'll just tidy up some of these brackets. I've got to remachine this adjuster here because I did move the gearbox across. By moving the gearbox across, I put this plate in here, which is a good idea on this bike. It means that we can pull the gearbox out separately. So we don't have to pull it out in one big lump. We can get the engine out separate or the gearbox out separately. So I've thought about that a bit. The 500, it could be a bit of a problem at some stage when we pull the engine and gearbox out of that. It's really shoehorned in there, so it's going to be a bit of work, but this one should be a whole lot better to work on. So hopefully it'll be a good thing and we won't have to pull it out too many times, but we'll see how we go. Righto, so I've had a few questions about this stand that the Velo motor sits on. This stand actually came with an all-alloy Mack engine that we got, but there's been a bloke floating around for years. He's been going around the swap meets and he's been selling these for about $150. It's made out of stainless steel. Works really well, but anyone who can restore a motorbike can make one of these. You don't even have to weld. Dad's got one made out of a lump of timber. It looks like he had a few scotches when he made it, and it looks like he painted it with the dog's tail. It's white, and it's just got a few brackets bent up and just a few wood screws in it, and he's been using that for years. But this one is a bit flash for us. But I think if I was only doing the single engine, maybe one or two, I would make just like a timber one that Dad's got that suits the 500, but this one's a 350 and we're just lucky enough to get that on one of the deals. So I'll put up a few photos of the engine sitting in the stand. It's nice and sturdy, won't fall over, but I'm sure all you guys know this anyway. So let's have a look. Righto, so let's have a look at a few photos and videos of the Black Swan Hotel and the Indian collection. Righto, same as every other week. If you like what you see, like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell everybody. Let's bring Hagon's back. Thanks.